What's up, guys? AK with you today, asking me solder more. Okay, showing you close, very close, magnified side camera. Here I go. HO figure, surface mount LED, TCS, sunny, golden white. See the kind of yellowish. Yes, that's the kind of pigment in the plastic. Okay, so I'm just putting my 6040 solder and the flux Kester 186. I'm not sure, no, I'm positively temperature 535, 525, 535, and I really don't know how I'm going to do it without flux. Also, I'm keeping that figure, so it gives me some small room. It's a kind of training, working in the small spaces, so not messing around with the stuff. So, taking some solder. I already cleaned the tip of the gun, but soldering gun. That's what I'm doing. I'm not like stripping that thing. I'm just like do like that, and that gives me some. It shrinks just half millimeter, maybe less. That's good enough. More flux. Yeah, I'm putting a lot of flux here. Okay, and that's it. Done. I'm putting it like not on top, kind of close to that angle, I should say. When it's flat, going down, that's what my area. I'm not sure how. Might put some microscope, but that's what I'm doing, guys. Hold on. We'll do 3. Yeah, again, tinting, like tint, and it's kind of shrinks, and now not big deal if you because that's for lenses. I'm making custom lenses and gluing with CA those LEDs to lenses. Okay, so it's not, again, not big deal if it just you beginner, and you can unsolder it, and like clean it and do it again. Not big deal. Don't hold too long. Means they are designed for to survive that temperature, but there is a limit, of course. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just positioning LED. I doesn't matter right now which wire, because I'm going to test them anyway, and I'm not using color wires because, again, I'm going to test them. Same thing here, just a little bit more. See? That's it. Nice, clean, shiny. That means temperature is right, solder is good quality, a lot of flux. Also, when I'm gluing, when I clean everything, just extra won't hurt. If it's not solder good, it will, uh, the wire won't stay. So again, I'm not sure how many I did, maybe 1,000. I don't know, don't remember honestly. But that's what I'm saying. It just, it's all just experience. Okay, doing like that. For the smaller LEDs, and I definitely will do it for you, I have another set I'll show you. The smaller, like nano, twice smaller. I have. Oh, I think I cleaned it. Yes, actually, it's good. A little bit sticky. Those are like less like resistance. You know, that spring here, not strong like that. Because if I'm doing the nano here, they will just snap and yeah, that's what I mean. Definitely will do it for you sometimes. Okay, same thing here. Good. That's enough. Perfect. Okay. And the last one here. That's good enough solder. Okay. Done. Okay. Then I'm cleaning them with just alcohol and a brush. Let's do it real quick. Unfortunately, just wait a sec. I'll do it on the side here, and absolutely cleaning this. So brush, alcohol, and I'll show you. Takes like few seconds. On using like paper towel. Okay, I'll show you them. Brush should be just like not sure the size, but like pretty rough. So you need to clean it, scrape all that extra solder. I'm sorry, extra flux. And I'm doing in 3 different spots. In the 3 different spots, so the extra flux will be melting and just paper towel absorb it. Okay, they still wet. You can do like compressed air or something. There we go. No, yeah, they will be if you're in a hurry or something. Yes. There we go. Surface mount LEDs. Done deal. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. You can support channel on our Patreon page. Have a good one. I'll see you in next videos, guys. Bye bye.